Today we're unboxing the new ARB ZERO dual zone 73 quart fridge freezer. The new ARB ZERO fridge freezers come in 4 different sizes. You have a 47 quart and 63 quart, which are a single zone, and you have a dual zone in the 73 and 101 quart. Let's take a look at the 73 quart. As you can see, we take pride in our shipping material, knowing that our fridges are shipped in multiple countries around the world. Now that we have the box pushed aside, let's take a look inside the fridge. One of the first things you'll notice is the lid opens up from the side. This is now a feature on the 63 quart, the 73 quart, and the 101 quart. The 47 quart still opens up lengthwise, just like the previous versions of the ARB fridge. The hinges are still a quick release hinge system, just like the previous models. On the models that have the side opening lids, you can actually reverse the lid opening. So depending on the vehicle you have it mounted in, how it's mounted in the vehicle, it just gives you a couple more options. When you first open up your fridge, one of the first things you're gonna see is an instruction manual. Make sure you save that. Also make sure you go to arbusa.com and register your fridge for warranty. Remove the main basket for the refrigeration portion. We're doing this to access this box. This box should contain 2 fridge cords. You'll have your 12 volt and your 110. Let's give you a tour of the inside of the fridge. Here you have your main basket for your refrigeration section. Completely removable, make things easy to clean. Same with the lower basket. The very bottom, you can see a drain plug. Also makes simple cleaning of the fridge if something spills, which it will happen. If you have tall bottles such as juice, the upper basket floor actually pops up, giving you the full depth of the fridge to store. Over here you have the freezer section of the 73 quart dual zone. Again, the basket is completely removable for easy cleaning. Now, if you're going on a trip and you don't actually need a freezer, what you can do is you can actually remove this divider here, making the fridge a single zone fridge. All you gotta do is just match the settings for each cool zone. Or if you find during your trip you do need a freezer for, say, ice cream for the campsite or ice for your cocktails, just as simple as reinstalling the divider and then adjusting your cool zone obviously to freezer. On the front of the fridge you'll see 2 power outlets. You have a 12 volt outlet and a 110 outlet. We actually put 2 outlets for the 12 volt system, one in the front, one in the back. This just allows you another option to mount the fridge in the back of a vehicle or, say, a trailer. We mounted the 110 outlet on the front of the fridge. The reason we did this was allows you to pre-cool your fridge before your trip. So say you put the fridge in the back of your vehicle the night before your trip, plug it into 110 in your household, pre-chill everything. That way you're not draining your battery. Load your food up in the morning and take off. When you first plug the fridge in, everything should fire right up. Now you're gonna see 2 displays. Display on the left is for the small cooling zone. Display on the right is gonna be the large cooling zone. Now most people are gonna use the small cooling zone as their freezer and the large as their fridge. But again, it's up to you. You can use either one, or you can use an entire thing as a freezer or an entire thing as a fridge. To change the temperatures, it's simple as pressing the mode button. You're gonna see the first zone start flashing. Adjust as needed. For the next zone, you press the mode button again, you'll see the second zone, the larger zone, flash. And same thing, adjust the temperature as needed. Now say you first install in your vehicle and you need to rapidly cool it, or you need to make a quick trip to the store, the new Zero fridges does have a feature called boost. So simple as pressing the negative button over here, you should see the little boost light kick on. What that will do is ramp up the fridge to drop to the temperature as quickly as possible. Now one of the coolest things about the ARB fridge freezers the last few years is a voltage monitoring system. Each fridge has a low, medium, high setting. And basically what that does is it detects if a voltage drops too low on the vehicle, and it will actually shut the fridge off before killing the battery completely. Now, just a side note on that, most newer vehicles that have a 12-volt outlet in the back of the vehicle use very small gauge wire. And unfortunately, that small gauge wire has a very large voltage drop across the system by the time it gets to the back. So the fridge voltage monitoring system will actually detect that voltage drop as a battery going dead. So to combat that, ARB actually has a fridge wiring harness that attaches directly to the battery, or you run it to your cargo area or where you're mounting your fridge, and comes with an outlet. You plug our fridge, our fridge power cord actually has a threaded piece that allows you to thread right into the outlet that we provide with our wiring kit, so that you get a vibration-free, secure system with plenty of gauge wire to allow plenty of voltage to your fridge to run all day long. Just an added feature of the fridge, we provide a USB outlet to allow you to charge your mobile device, ARB flashlight, ARB adventure light, or whatever else you need to charge via USB. Another cool feature of the ARB ZERO fridge freezer, the mobile app. So you can go to your mobile device's app store, download the free ARB ZERO application, easily connect it to the fridge freezer, and then at that point you can actually control the fridge, monitor the fridge temperatures, monitor the fridge voltage. If the fridge detects some sort of an error, say low voltage from your battery going dead, you can see that on there. I mean, just a great thing to have. Now, a lot of people always ask, well, why would you need to control your fridge via your mobile device or your cell phone? The easiest example is, say you're on your way home, you forget that you have to stop at the grocery store to get ice cream. You don't want to pull off to the side of the road, jump out of your vehicle, go to the back and adjust the settings. Instead, at the next stoplight, stop sign, just jump on your phone, drop her down to the freezer, and you're good to go. By the time you get to the store or by the time you're home, the fridge is should be cool enough to keep that ice cream from melting. Let's connect it real quick. Real simple to connect the app. Open it up, go to the settings, connect fridge. It's already detecting it actually. Click connect, and we're already set. You can set the fridge temp depending on the zone. You can actually create your own modes that allow you to say overlanding, camping, grocery store run, so on. So you can easily just jump to a certain mode, and those zones will actually chill to what your predetermined settings were already saved. Over the next few months, ARB will be releasing accessories for the new ARB ZERO fridge line, including tie-down systems that attach to the factory bracket and fridge slides. That's about it with ARB ZERO fridge freezer. For more information, please go to arbusa.com.